about to begin a journey that will completely change how you understand scale. In just moments, we'll travel nearly 8 billion light-years to witness something so vast, so utterly beyond comprehension, that our entire solar system becomes insignificant by comparison, no more than a grain of sand on an endless shore. As we pull away, watch our blue world shrink. Everything humanity has ever known, every life lived, every war fought, every love story, every triumph and every tragedy exists on this fragile point of light, now fading behind us. We accelerate to velocities so extreme that even light would need years to reach them. And this is only the beginning. There's our sun, our star, holding nearly all the mass of the solar system. Yet in cosmic terms, it's unremarkable. An average star among countless others. What lies ahead will make it seem like a trembling candle beside a vast forest. We've entered interstellar space. The sun is no longer special, just another dot among billions. Silence dominates here. Darkness is complete. This is the immense void between cosmic islands, far larger than most minds can grasp. The stars blur into flowing streams of light. Now we see the Milky Way from the outside. A magnificent spiral of hundreds of billions of stars. Many host planets, some may host life. Perhaps even civilizations staring into their own skies, wondering if they are alone. At the galaxy's core lies a monster. Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of our sun. Remember that number, because what we're about to encounter will make it seem insignificant. We're leaving the galaxy behind. These faint points ahead are not stars, they are entire galaxies. At this speed, the journey defies reality. To continue, we break the laws of physics. Time no longer flows, it freezes. Light itself needs billions of years to cross these distances. The farther we travel, the younger the universe appears. Ahead lies Phoenix A, a quasar. Quasars are the brightest objects ever observed. They are not stars but supermassive black holes feeding violently. They consume matter so aggressively that they outshine entire galaxies. As material spirals inward, it heats to millions of degrees, blasting radiation across billions of light-years. These cosmic beacons are visible from the very edge of the observable universe. Signals of destruction on an unimaginable scale. Our velocity now is beyond intuition. From inside a distant galaxy, you wouldn't see us streak across the sky. You wouldn't see us at all. At these scales, even galaxies fade into darkness. Light weakens, time stretches, motion loses meaning. If someone observed the Milky Way from here, they wouldn't see it as it is today. They'd see it as it was millions, perhaps billions of years ago. Long before human civilization existed. Out here, speed doesn't mean movement. It means skipping through time. We are no longer crossing space. We are crossing scale. Ahead lies one of the most extreme regions ever discovered. Nothing rushes past you here. The universe simply rearranges itself. There are no landmarks, no direction, no center, only distance. That faint glow ahead, that's the Phoenix Cluster, one of the most massive galaxy clusters ever observed, a region dominated by overwhelming gravity and immense energy output. This is not an isolated object. It sits at the heart of a colossal structure shaped by a single gravitational force. We are approaching one of the most massive gravitational systems known to science. What comes next pushes the limits of measurement itself. Phoenix A isn't the black hole's name, it's the cluster that hosts it. At its center lies our destination. a black hole so enormous that astronomers still debate its true size. We are now entering the Phoenix cluster. At its core burns the quasar Phoenix A, its energy so intense it overwhelms the entire region. Soon, we descend deeper. We've reached the cluster's boundary. The blinding brightness ahead comes from the object drawing us inward. Current estimates place its mass at around 100 billion times that of our Sun. Some calculations suggest even more. For comparison, Ton 618, long considered the most massive black hole known, weighs about 66 billion solar masses. Phoenix A may exceed it by 50% or more. We are still attempting to measure something that resists measurement. This is our destination, Phoenix A. This black hole doesn't merely bend space-time, it sculpts it into a vast gravitational cathedral. Light itself can orbit here, circling endlessly before vanishing forever. Near the event horizon, time slows to a crawl compared to the rest of the universe. This is Einstein's nightmare brought to life. And here is the most unsettling truth of all. We don't fully understand how it became this large. Black holes grow by feeding, but reaching this mass within the universe's lifetime requires growth rates that challenge the limits of physics itself. It's possible Phoenix A is the merged remnant of multiple supermassive black holes. Phoenix A is not just the largest we've found. It is a reminder that the universe operates on scales we are only beginning to comprehend. And somewhere beyond the regions we've explored, something even larger may still be waiting to be discovered. And now, as we stand at the edge of Phoenix A, the question is no longer how big it is. The real question is what it represents. This single object outweighs hundreds of billions of stars. It dominates an entire cluster of galaxies. It bends space, slows time, and reshapes everything around it. And yet, it exists naturally. No intelligence designed it, no force aimed to build it. It emerged from the same universe that formed stars, planets, and eventually us, which means the universe is capable of far more than we ever imagined. Phoenix A forces us to confront a humbling truth: our understanding of reality is still incomplete. The laws of physics we rely on work until they don't. And when they fail, something even more extreme takes their place. If a black hole of this magnitude can form, then what else lies beyond our current horizon of knowledge? What structures exist in regions we haven't mapped? What forces operate where our equations fall apart? And how small is humanity in a universe that can casually create something like this? As we pull away, Phoenix A doesn't chase us. It doesn't notice us. It simply continues shaping the cosmos in silence. And perhaps that is the most profound lesson of all. The universe doesn't exist to be understood. It exists to be explored. Every discovery reveals how much more there is to learn. Every answer opens deeper questions. And Phoenix A stands as a reminder that the greatest mysteries are still out there, waiting. If you want to keep exploring the universe's deepest secrets, its most extreme objects, and the ideas that stretch the limits of human understanding, subscribe to Beyond Universe, because the universe is bigger, stranger, and more incredible than we ever imagined.